Hi, I am István Rajna, Group Product Manager at Dremel. I'm here to show you some hints and tips on our high-speed cutters. What are high-speed cutters? High-speed cutters are accessories with which you can shape, hollow, groove different materials such as wood, plastics, or even soft metal. When using these accessories, always make sure that first you do a test cut in a scrap material so that you can understand how much material you can remove at a time, and also you get some sense about the control of the accessory itself. When you hold the tool, have a pencil grip. This will give you optimal precision and comfort, and actually you just have to use the tool as if you were drawing. So let me show you how to cut with these accessories. When working with high-speed cutters, always make sure that your speed is adjusted to the mid-high-speed range settings. When cutting with these, always make sure that the accessory is moving the opposing direction of the rotation of the tool itself. And last but not least, when you experience chattering against the material, try increasing gradually the speed of your tool until the moment where the chattering is reduced, because that's the time when you have the most performance out of your accessory. That's the time when you have the most control and the comfort when you are doing your project. Thank you.